Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the series Python for Beginners, and today's topic is going to be about Python files. So let's quickly get started in PyCharm with the syntax of files. So for files we have here open. We specify the name of the file, and finally the mode. The mode, there are several different modes that I'll be talking about, but this particular mode, W, means that we're going to be writing into a file. So if the file name is demo.txt, and let's write hello inside the file, and the next step, it has to be to close the specific file. So let's quickly run this. So we can see here that the file is created, and inside we see the string hello. If we want to read this file, we can do w equals open. We could open the demo.txt file in with mode R, which means read. Let's read the file using read line, and then this should be w.readline, and then finally we close W. Let's print this. So we write the file using the F variable, and then we're reading from the file using the W variable. And as we can see here, the string hello is being printed out. One important thing to note is this W mode, it writes the file, it creates the file if it does not exist every time, but if the file already exists, what happens is the file is opened and the contents of the file are deleted. So for example, we have here demo.txt, which has hello. Let's say we open the file now, and we do f.write, and we do apple. If we run this program, the hello string that we had previously is now replaced with the apple string. To overcome this, we have another option, A, which appends to the existing contents of the file. So we could do /n for new line, and then let's say hello. So we already have apple, and if we run this program now, we should see the string hello appended to apple on the next line. So let's run this program, and we see here apple and then hello. Sometimes it might be difficult to close this file, and to overcome this issue, we have context managers with open demo.txt. Let's open it in the W mode, and then we say F. So this is the syntax to open a file in context manager mode. And what this does is, for example, if we do f.write, we can run the program. Let's have a string here. Let's say lemons. We can see here the demo.txt. The character string lemons is created, and we've reduced the need for f.close using the context manager, because this context manager handles the f.close. And this is important because sometimes if a developer forgets to close the file using f.close, what happens is memory errors can occur, memory leaks. Sometimes I've also seen that whatever is being processed does not appear properly in these files. Also, with using this syntax, the context manager syntax, we can the context manager handles the errors such as the file not found errors and so on. So that's pretty much it for our files. Hope this video helped in any way or form.